What is up, everybody? So today we're going to be drawing the Lewis structure for ethylamine. It's an organic molecule. We can see it here with the blacks are carbons, so you have 2 carbons. You have 3 hydrogens bonded to this first carbon. Then you have 2 hydrogens bonded to the middle carbon. Then you have a nitrogen, which is in blue. And then we have 2 hydrogens bonded to that. We will have 2 lone pairs. This will be the final product that we will see how we come up with that. Check it out, y'all. Hey everyone, it's Austin here. This is the second video for this series of drawing Lewis structures. This is an organic molecule this time, ethylamine. 2 carbons in it, so it's organic. Ethyl has 2 carbons, methyl has 1 carbon, so this is why it's called ethyl. And there's an amine group on it also. So first thing we gotta do in all these is find out how many valence electrons each of these has. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. Carbon has 4. Check out the blooper video, because that will be in the blooper video. Carbon has 4. We have 2 of them, so 8 total. Hydrogen has 1. We have 7 of those, so 7 total. Nitrogen is in row, it's right next to the carbon. Is that row 5? That's row 5. Yes, 5. We have 1 of those, so 5 of those. No charges, so 15 plus 5 is 20 total, 20 valence electrons. Now, let's check out how to draw it. Okay, so now we're gonna draw it. Usually when we draw these, we have to realize that these are pieced together, these are pieced together, these are pieced together, and this is pieced to, I believe, the carbon. Let's just start drawing it. So we have a CH3. We will keep in mind that we need 20 electrons total. So right now we've used up 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We bond this carbon to this carbon. We need carbons in the middle, 2 hydrogens on it. Another thing we need to know is carbon needs to make 4 bonds usually. In its neutral state, it makes 4 bonds. That's because it's in the 4th column. So it has 4 valence electrons, as we said over here. So it needs the 4 bonds because it's sharing electrons. So it's 4 electrons. So there's a 0 charge on it right now. 0 charge on this right now. Now what's happening? We need to bond it to the nitrogen. Why? Because hydrogens can only have 1 bond. They can only have 2 electrons. It's not an octet, but you can only have 2. Also, the formal charge on the hydrogen, remember it's in group 1, so it has 1 valence electron, and in here it shares an electron, so it has 1 electron, so it's neutral charge. Here's the nitrogen, now we're going to bond it to the hydrogen. Alright, so this is what ethylamine looks like. Let's look at formal charges. Remember, hydrogen, remember they share an electron, so 1 electron for hydrogen here. It has 1 because it's in the first group, so it has 0 charge. So all these are the same way, 0 charge on all these. Remember, there's no charge on this, so we shouldn't have any charges. Carbon is in group 4. It has 4 normally. Remember, 1 electron went from here, 1 from here. So basically, it's going to have 4 electrons as well, and 4, and it's in group 4, so it has a 0 charge. Same with this, it has 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. That's 4, and it has 4 on group 4, so it has a 0 charge. Nitrogen is in group 5, so it has 5 valence electrons. My bad, it's in group, it is in group 5, right? Yes, in group 5. Normally has 5 valence electrons. Now how many does it have here? It has 1, 2, 3, right? It has 3. So right now, it appears we're gonna need a lone pair on the nitrogen. So let's start counting. We needed how many? We said there's 20 total valence electrons. So now we're gonna have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it's single bonds. 7, 8, 9, 10 to this H. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and it works just perfectly. It needs 2 one lone pair to get to 20. Now that's 20 electrons total, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, 20 total. It has 20 here. We have our lone pair. This is the Lewis structure for ethylamine, right there. There it is, ethylamine. All right, you got your 3 hydrogens. Oh, we left out a couple. We have 2 more here. And then we have the 1 lone pair on the nitrogen. That's how the Lewis structure looks, y'all. Find out how many valence electrons we have. Carbon has 6 each because it is in row 6 of the periodic table. My bad, it is 4. Alright, thank you all for checking out the video. Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and have a blessed day.